So here's how to see when someone was last online in Roblox. So first you want to open your browser and then head to roblox.com and make sure you're logged in. Now, for example, you want to enter to your friend profile, and previously people were using Chrome extensions such as Rogold and BT Roblox to view the last online status on their profile, but it's no longer working because apparently the time is not being recorded anymore. So alternatively, there is another solution, which is this website, rollimons.com. Now, before using that, you will be required to authorize your Roblox account in order to use it. Now you can go to Players section and then click on Player Lookup. Now you can simply look up your friend by name and then pick from these profiles. So if you can see your friend here, you can click on it and it should show you the current status, which is currently offline. And the last seen is 4 years ago. And that's pretty much it. You can also view other stuff if you want to. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.